Alright, so I actually made it, and behind me, as you can see, Nexen is doing a photo shoot with my car and a 370Z. A couple of Nexen girls out here, and a couple other guys. You can see right there. But yeah, pretty much, man. Right now, I guess I'm just doing a promo shoot. Do a couple stickers on the car, and thank God the sun is not out, as you can see. But it's been pretty cool so far. Thank God my job let me off in time to come out here. So right now I'm just enjoying the time, and I can't wait to show you guys more footage. Let's switch to the B-roll. Here it is, day 2, and I'm about to head out to OSW. I'm about to catch this Uber real quick to head over there. I'm running late, so hopefully I get there in time, so keep in check. Oh, it's pretty good. They had like a sliced chicken breast. Like sliced and grilled, and you had yellow rice, plantains. Look, like he's got in a freaking helicopter. Look at him.
I'm just dropping them off.
Professional. Professional car parker.
In a quarter mile, make a U-turn.
Is this your extra?
So I just got here, and as you can hear in the background, they have already started drifting. So I'm about to go meet up with the guys at the NEXEN booth and get the car cleaned up, get everything good to go, pull the hood off, and you know, show out a little bit. So see you guys in a little bit.
Hey, what's up, Pete?
How's it going, man?
What's up, dog?
How you feeling, bro?
Where's the 240?
You know, what's up, bro?
You got snacks in there?
Huh?
You got snacks in there?
No snacks,
Bro, I'm sorry. No snacks, man. I could possibly get you a water, though.
Where's this going?
Huh?
Is this going on YouTube?
Of course.
Woo. Is this clout?
Huh?
Is this clout?
Clout God. Clout. So we are out here at Formula D. Right now, as you can see, we are at the NEXEN booth. 240's over there. The NEXEN guys have been nothing but great to me, man. I'm just, you know, happy to be a part of this situation. So, just gonna take you guys around real quick.
What's going on?
Man, I'm at the NEXEN sweatshop right here. I'm working for 25 cents an hour. Can't get a bathroom break.
Take a word, you guys are pretty dope, man.
Yeah.
You guys over here throwing gang signs.
Yeah. And fair life.
Oh shit, throw it up, bro. You see they have this little photo stage over here. You can take a picture and send it to your email.
I just did a little while ago, came out pretty dope, so I'm gonna show you guys that later on.
What? NEXEN tires on here. Bad boys.
So yeah, I'm actually about to go get something to eat real quick. You know, got the VIP badge over here. I'm about to go inside the VIP area and get some food.
Oh snap! It ain't the man himself.
Come on in.
Thanks, my man.
You got it.
That's some more real quick.
Yo, my dog.
G-Cole, what's up,
What's up, man? How are you?
Been chilling,
Chilling,
bro.
man. I'm chilling.
What's good with you, man?
I think you did it right. I think you did it hella right.
That was the overall goal, man. Do it right one time, but now I gotta do it again.
You did it good. That's it, man. That's it. This is it.
It needs to get redone, bro.
Why?
The paint was in city, yo.
It's good. It's Gucci.
What's good, man?
Doing it better than me. I'm about to tag him right now.
Oh, you is?
You ugly, bro. Why am I 32 in over here? Oh shit! Oh, that's good. I'm selling out. I'm about to tag you. Like, yo, I see you. I see you though.
Over here, I'm concentrating.
I had to like remember what your Instagram name was and shit. I was trying to figure it out.
What's good, man?
You out here though?
Yeah, bro.
Damn, bro. Finally.
Hold on, what you said?
You not out there with the little guys. You with the big boys out here. That's what's up.
Yo,
Look at this. Yo, that's what's up. Hell yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. When I seen the people, I was like,
Hey. My man's making it with things and all. Fuck yeah. Fuck the Ferrari, man. That's what's up.
yo, bro, what's good, bro? How you feeling, man? I'm telling you.
Is that going on YouTube? Is it going on YouTube?
Yeah,
I'm famous. Yo, damn, I didn't have the shirt on. I had the Superior shirt on.
Kenny, what's good, man? Long time no see, bro.
Yep.
Yo, if y'all don't know, I used to own a Maxima. Kenny's one of the OGs in the Maxima days, in 35. You know what I mean? We used to probably gonna be real loud in the music. So hope y'all can hear me. You know what I'm saying? So Kenny from getting out to New York.
showing love and all that. So definitely good to see you, man. Of course, man. That was good, man.
It is, man.
Long
It is.
toe,
Good seeing you, bro.
see, bro.
Hey, man. You know it, man. Just hustling, nothing much, bro. Enjoying your whip, enjoying the build right here, man. This is where it's at. This is really why I came to Formula Drift, honestly. I don't even fuck with all this, nah, man. This right here, this is what it's about.
I'm seeing it too, huh?
It's the first time seeing it in a long time, man. Great seeing it.
What do you think?
Beautiful, beautiful, honestly. Long time coming, but
Long time.
hey, bro. Great things take time.
That's a fact. That's a fact.
Yeah, man.
You got my man John from the back lurking. So this guy right here is a guy that put the motor together. Hi, John. Come on over to the trip.
Who's good? You got the rags to riches story going on.
So ironically, I took the motor down on Lakeland. It was in pieces, broken.
We had to go run to Tampa for parts.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, what was it? Sprocket, right? A crank sprocket?
No, the crank sprocket.
The crank sprocket was freaking broken. Made a quick run, got the motor, got that piece, got the motor back together, and then Boogie, he helped me put the motor and my Maxima
Back in the trunk.
and then drove it back up here, and my boy helped me put it on a thing. Actually, I still have your piece for the engine stand. I still have that piece, but you ain't getting it back.
Hell no, you're gonna need it.
Yo,
That's good, man. Yo, it feels fucking weird.
you gotta get used to that, right?
I'm gonna get out here and walk around, but
Alright, bro. Thanks again, man.
I need the right amount of stroke.
When is the fucking car gonna be done?
It's done.
It's running out?
It's running.
What was the issue?
Injector.
I told you. I told you.
You wanna know how I knew? I had the same stupid ass issue. Like, it just wasn't firing.
Yeah, it was getting power and everything. The injector was like, it was working. It's not
Yeah.
working.
That's the one thing.
Oh, I gotta do that.
I need the right amount
Because I ain't say what's up on the camera.
But that's the one thing, like, what happened with mine, and it wasn't firing right, swapped it out, perfect, good to go.
Hello, have a Civic and a Miata.
he's got an Aristo. Hey, a wide body Aristo. Hey, wide body.
So if we don't want a poster, we don't have to get one, right?
I think you do have to get one.
You mean if you don't want one?
Let me make sure.
I'm just not doing it.
Hey, all you gotta do is ask me. You gotta record me?
Hey, what's up, bro? Yeah, I didn't get you earlier, so I didn't get you now. How you feeling, man?
What up?
You good?
I'm good.
How you with that, bro? Nice shirt, by the way.
Hey.
What's up, man?
What's going on?
So David is like one of my sponsors, as you can see. Finish Line Factory.
It's just a
Finish Line Factory. You know what I'm saying? And good old fittings. So
You know what? I'm gonna have to come in on that. I'm just gonna have to
You gonna record that?
Yeah.
Well, let me know when you're done.
Yeah. There you go. Check it out. I'm at the NEXEN Tire Booth. Good afternoon, sir.
How you feeling, brother?
Very good, man.
good?
Very good to see you. I love this thing.
Yo, I appreciate it, man. I see you coming out of complex the other day. I was like, that shit looking good. You know what I'm saying?
Trying.
You gotta get a 1J though.
Don't worry. And we gotta do more Swerv.
I
need more Swerv.
More Swerv, bro.
I need another shirt.
Let me know.
All right, whatever you got, I'm buying.
Alright, I got you.
Yeah, you know I buy.
I got you. Well, actually, you know what? Your Cash App is your number. I owe you change. Or you want to apply to the other joint? I got you, bro. I got you.
I just want to know when the new shirt drops.
Yeah.
I want first.
I got you.
I got first dibs. Let me know. I'll buy first.
Alright. Yeah, bro.
I got physical.